Hello everyone, I'm Ruslan Alov from the International Sales Department of Circutor. Today I'd like to introduce you the different types of compensation to avoid surcharges for reactive power in your installation. Basically, there are two types of compensation available. On one hand, we've got the fixed compensation, the one that we use with individual loads when the reactive power consumption is steady, such as power transformers and occasional loads in continuous operation. And on the other hand, we've got the regulated compensation, the one that's used when the curve of reactive power is variable. For instance, any installation where the loads are constantly connecting and disconnecting. That said, let me ask you this. Can we use the same type of fixed or regulated compensation in any installation? Well, in a moment, you'll see that the answer is no. When the solution involves a fixed compensation, there are two possible solutions. The first one is the fixed compensation without filters, used in networks where the level of harmonics is low, and thus there is no need for additional protection of capacitors. And on the second place, we've got the fixed compensation with filters, installed when the network has a high level of harmonics. Although we do come across the same situation with regulated compensation. If the installation doesn't have a high level of harmonics, we'll use capacitor banks without filters. However, depending on the variability of the reactive power curve, the switching may involve contactors when the variability is low, or thyristors when the variability is high. Nevertheless, when the installation has a high level of harmonics, the solution must be capacitor bank with filters. In addition, the switching may involve contactors or thyristors depending on the variability of the loads, just as I've mentioned before. And finally, we come to the last solution, the static Var Generator, also known as SVGM, a device based on a power electronics that compensates in real time for each phase and any reactive power consumption, whether it's inductive or capacitive. As always, feel free to email us your questions at reactiva@circutor.com. Leave your likes and comments down below if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you will never miss any of our videos. As always, thank you all for watching and have a great day.